So Siobhan, as a former student, tell us about your time in Sallynoggin.
Okay, my name is Siobhan. I done the level 5 Performing Arts and level 6 Advanced Performing Arts in Sallynoggin, and I would wholly recommend it to anybody who's thinking of doing it. I found for myself personally, like in a million years I would never stand up in front of a class and perform or speak in public or anything like that, so it did help my confidence, it boosted my confidence to be able to go into a room and if I needed to talk to people, or I found it really helped in that respect. I find as well the staff and even my classmates, like I met people from all walks of life, all ages, and a lot of them were younger than me, and we all gelled together and bonded together, and we're like a little family as well. And if any time any of us had a problem or needed help with anything, we'd all help each other out, or the staff was very helpful as well, and I found the syllabus as well very easy to follow.
If there was one word to describe Sallynoggin College, what would you say?
Inclusive. Everybody is welcome. Everybody is, it's, as I said, it's like a little family, and you're all together, and nobody is ever left out or treated badly or anything like that. So, yeah, inclusive. So it's a good word.